Days in the haunted room, a survival story. Ankit had faced fear before, poverty, rejection, the weight of helping 1000 strangers. But this was different. This was a room no one dared enter. Locals whispered about it. A child had vanished here. A priest had fled, screaming. No one listed a night. So Ankit chose 2 days. He walked in with nothing but a flashlight, a camera, and a promise. If he survived, a camera and a promise. If he survived, he had donate $10,000 to feed children in the village that feared this place. The first hours were quite too quiet. The walls seemed to breathe. The mirror cracked without warning. Whispers echoed from corners that did not exist. He laughed nervously, documenting everything. I have seen darkness, he said, but this feels alive. By midnight, the room changed. Cold air wrapped around him like fingers. The door vanished. A rocking chair moved on its own. He found a diary written by someone who claimed to be trapped in the room for eternity. Sleep was impossible. Every blink brought visions, a child crying, a woman screaming, his own face distorted in the mirror. But Ankit did not run. He spoke to the camera. I have fed children who had not eaten in days. I have hugged, survived in this world. So can I. On the second day, the room tested him harder. Shadows mimicked his movements. A voice whispered his name. He cried, he prayed, he wrote in the diary, if I don't make it late, this story fed someone, and then light. The door reappeared, the air warmed, the whispers stopped. He stepped out, not just alive but transformed. He donated the $10,000. He fed every children in the village, and he left the haunted room within a message. Fear is real, but so is hope, and hope wins. Ankit thought it was over. He had survived the haunted room, donated the prize money, fed the children. The world applauded, but something followed him home. He started small, his camera turned on by itself. The diary he left behind was now on his desk. Pages he never wrote were filled with his handwriting. Then came the dreams, a child crying, a woman whispering, you did not set us free. Every night the same voice, every morning a new bruise on his body, as if something was trying to pull him back. Ankit tired to ignore it. He poured himself into more acts of kindness, more donations, more stories. But the shadows grew bolder. His reflection blinked when he did not. His voice echoed back with words he never said. One night he found a note under his pillow. You survived the room, but the room lives in you. He returned to the mansion, but it was gone. No runs, no foundation, just an empty field, and in the enter a single rocking chair moving. Ankit sat down, closed his eyes, whispered, what do you want? The wind answered, finish the story. The opened his camera, hit record, and began